We are all familiar with the meaning of H2O, yet have you ever wondered if there is a deeper, perhaps more esoteric way to understand the periodic table of elements? Terrence Howard, the actor and engineer, has a unique way of explaining the intimate connection between geometry, mathematics, and the fundamental principles of the universe. We are uncovering the periodic table through Terrence Howard's innovative perspective, exploring how his theories offer a fresh take on this scientific cornerstone. Howard views the periodic table not just as a list of elements, but as a geometric pattern. In his discussions, Howard often references his belief in fundamental geometric shapes that govern the structure of the elements. He suggests that each element on the periodic table can be understood through geometric principles, particularly focusing on tetrahedral shapes and how they fit together in three-dimensional space. This concept aligns with sacred geometry, which posits that geometric patterns underpin all physical reality. Howard believes that by re-examining the periodic table through the lens of geometry, we can gain deeper insights into the properties and relationships between elements. Let's explore the geometric relationships of elements using models and visualizations to gain a new perspective on their interactions and properties. Howard proposes a new mathematical approach to understanding the periodic table. He has developed his own mathematical theories, such as his Terryology, which he believes can explain the periodic table more accurately. According to Howard,
traditional mathematics and physics overlook certain fundamental principles that his theories address. He uses these principles to reinterpret the relationships between elements. This approach challenges conventional scientific methods, similar to how quantum mechanics revolutionized our understanding of atomic and subatomic particles. By applying his mathematical theories, Howard suggests we can uncover new patterns and relationships within the periodic table that have been previously overlooked. Let's study Howard's mathematical concepts and attempt to apply them to the periodic table, seeking new patterns and insights.
Howard discusses elements in terms of resonance and harmonic frequencies. He relates the properties of elements to musical harmonics, suggesting that each element vibrates at a specific frequency that determines its characteristics. By understanding these frequencies, we can better comprehend how elements interact and combine to form compounds. This idea is reminiscent of cymatics, where sound frequencies create specific geometric patterns in physical media. Terrence Howard believes that recognizing the harmonic nature of elements can lead to new discoveries in chemistry and physics. Let's use sound and frequency analysis to study the properties of elements and their interactions, inspired by Howard's harmonic approach. Taking a closer look at the periodic table may bring to mind your own inner standing. How do you utilize and interact with the periodic table? Be sure to comment it below for the next person and we may create a video on it. Howard offers a unique take on atomic structure, focusing on the shape and arrangement of atomic components. He suggests that atoms are more accurately represented by geometric shapes rather than traditional models. This reinterpretation can provide new insights into how atoms bond and interact, potentially leading to advancements in material science and chemistry. This perspective is similar to how molecular geometry is used to predict the shapes and behaviors of molecules. By visualizing atoms as geometric shapes, Howard believes we can better understand their properties and interactions. Create geometric models of atoms and molecules to explore their structures and predict their behaviors in different chemical reactions. Howard explains a unified theory that connects the periodic table with broader physical and metaphysical concepts. He's expressed the belief that his theories can bridge the gap between classical and quantum physics, offering a more holistic understanding of the universe. This unified theory aims to integrate the periodic table into a larger framework that encompasses both scientific and spiritual principles. This approach is akin to the search for a theory of everything in physics, which seeks to unify all fundamental forces and particles. Howard's work suggests that by understanding the periodic table through this unified theory, we can achieve breakthroughs in both science and spirituality, Engage in interdisciplinary studies that combine elements of physics, chemistry, and metaphysics to explore Howard's unified theory. Thank yourself for journeying through the periodic table as explained by Terrence Howard. His innovative and unconventional approach challenges us to think beyond traditional boundaries and explore new dimensions of understanding. But what if I told you there's another revolutionary theory that could further reshape our perception of the elements? Eager for more? Be sure to like, comment with your thoughts and experiences, and subscribe to our channel for more spiritual insights. Stay tuned for our next video where we delve into this groundbreaking idea. Until then, keep exploring and expanding your horizons.